Welcome to HP Customs. I am back on the Monster Blazer. Actually, I'm not on it today. I'm just prepping it for tomorrow. My next dilemma on this is the steering. That steering arm is completely seized on, will not break free from the 3 studs right there. I'm really hoping I can heat it up with the torch tomorrow and get it free. If not, I am going to have to cut that thing into many different pieces to get it off. It is seized on there good. So that's what I'm dealing with on this thing tomorrow. And once I get that together, if I can get the steering all back together, then we can get this thing outside and see what it looks like out in the sun next to, we'll call them all the little trucks I have laying around here. So thank you for watching. That's today's update. I will add more to this tomorrow. All right, I got it off. After hammering and using pry bars and pounding the crap out of that thing, all it took was torch and vice grips, and the little studs finally came out. Had to cut it in a few spots, but that baby was on there. And it is off, and I can finally proceed with my steering. Exciting day. I'll have a steering on this thing today. Well, there it is. My Monster Blazer has steering finally, with a 12-inch lift in it. My opinion of this kit has kind of gone up and down. It's not like a BDS kit where everything just fits fine, which I will do a review on my BDS kit as soon as I got some room in here. Little details though, all the parts seem to be really good. The big parts, the springs, all the steering arm and everything, the drag link. It's just little stuff, like no washers came with these. And the little split locks, you're supposed to have 3 of them, and I only have 1 in my kit. And I only have 1 brake line. So I'm gonna have to call my supplier, and due to the awesome excitement that's going on around in the world, all circuits are busy. I can't even get parts right now. But thankfully, I have enough projects laying around that I can just keep on going, living my dream in my shop, building what I have laying around. Some of you wonder, why is this guy doing such silly things like putting a 3/4 ton diff in this Blazer with a big block and 45s? Because I don't have a Dana 60 yet. And I have so many projects laying around that I decided I'm going to quit my job and I'm just going to build my trucks and go YouTubing. So that is what I'm doing. I'm having fun with my vehicles. It's all I've ever wanted to do my whole life, and I'm doing it. And the other thing I forgot is these are a set of 3/4 ton automatic hubs. And the reason I went with those was because when I do get this thing together, I thought getting in and out of a 15-inch lift when I'm done and 45-inch tires, it's going to be a little difficult. So if I can actually put it in 4-wheel drive without having to get in and out of the truck would be nice when I'm loading it onto a trailer or such a thing at a car show. Yes, it will have 4-wheel drive. I've had a bunch of lifted trucks with 40s, and you never get around to doing the front drive shaft and the cross member. One of those details that most guys seem to leave out. So I'm going to get that one done on this one, going all the way. Very happy. Got it together. I will be able to get this thing outside as soon as I get a hand to push this thing around. No drive shafts in this thing for a little while. But I got to get it outside so we can have a look. So next week, you'll see it next to my Jimmy and my Tahoe plow truck, and we'll see the difference out in the sun. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe.